Hi there. We have released some updates to splitting packages in Flowhub, namely that you can now split onto multiple packages at once, and we will show available tags. So let me show off how that works. Got a package here. I'm going to go ahead and split. And now when I look at the split package form, I'm going to see some updates here. So I'm going to see this original package quantity and then the quantity I'm splitting off. I can configure that up here, and I can also add packages down here. So let's say I'm splitting just into 2 packages, but I want to split the entire quantity, 39673. In the case that we're being asked to split something into an even amount, we are going to put the remainder into that first package for you. So we're doing the math here to figure out if you're going to split 2 packages and you're splitting all quantity, this is how much goes into each package. If I add another package, we're going to recalculate those numbers. So you can see that changing, and the remainder is always going to go to that first package. I can still update this if I want to. So let's say that I want to split into 2 packages. I only want to split, let's say 500 units. So that would be 250 each. But let's say that I want to do 100 units here, 400 units here. I can make those changes accordingly. The other thing that's new here is you'll see this new package drop down here. So I could still scan in a package tag. So if I've got a physical package tag that I'm scanning in, I can scan that into this field, or I can select from the available tags endpoint in Metrc. So if this tag is available, I can associate that. And let's say 55 has been used by another one of my colleagues. So I know 56 is open. I can use 56. Other thing that's new here is that I can insert batch-specific price and costs if I so desire. So what I see here in the parent package is the default price and cost associated to this. If I want to, I can update this to be batch-specific. So let's say just for this package 54, I want to have this price at entry level, and my cost, batch-specific cost is $1, but I'm going to leave the 56 as it is. I'm going to go ahead and run this split. Excellent. So there's my original tag. I got 500 units split off of that. And then if I take a look at the children I just split, we've got 100 units here. And I can see this is that batch specific cost and price I configured on that split there. And then I've got my other 400 unit split here, and it has the defaults that were previously associated. And that is splitting packages in Flowhub.